This is Willow being a snuggly bird. She's being very snuggly. It's really, really late, and sometimes she doesn't feel like going in her cage, but taking a nap on me or something like that. She likes to curl up right below my chin and right on my bandana. Oh, you're so cute, Willow. Look at you. She's nice and fluffy. Yes. Ah. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. It's really late, but... Hi! What's that? Ah! That looks really weird. Okay, you gonna lick the camera? Yum, yum, yum. Give me a kiss. You freak. She's a freak with a beak, aren't you? Yeah, no, I'm lame. You gonna kill me because I'm lame and I'm a dork? La 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 la. Ah! Don't break it. Don't break the lens. Looks so weird. Give me a kiss, Willow. Give the camera a kiss. La la. Num 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 num. Birdie kisses. Yeah, she's really cute, huh? Yeah, you gonna reach out there? Ah, stop nibbling my skin. Ah! Preening your feathers. You're gonna look all nice and pretty. Love. Do do do. Gotta get those long wing feathers. Say goodbye, Willow. This is getting kind of long, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I love you too. I'm gonna go put her in her cage before she gets too comfortable. Bites my neck. Yeah, she looks cute, but she could be vicious. Temperamental bird. Love bird. Oh, did you hear that? See, she said Silly-Willy. Silly-Willy, do it again. No! Say Silly-Willy. 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 Come on, you just did it. I can't believe you did it. Come on. Say it for the camera. She likes the camera, maybe. Silly-Willy. Silly-Willy. Hey. Willow, look at the camera. Silly-Willy. Okay, whatever. She said it, and that's cool. Yeah. Say bye, Willow.